What's under your hand, Captain? More sail, more speed! Roll, boys! Help me, Bob, I'm bullying. Not bad. Helm's yours, Captain. Yep. It's a damn tough life, full of toil and strife. We're men undergo. We don't give a damn when the gale is done, how hard the winds did blow. 'Cause we're homeward bound, it's a grand old sound, on a good ship, taut and free. And we don't give a damn when we drink our rum with the girls of old Maui. Rolling down to old Maui, me boys, rolling down to old Maui. We're homeward bound from the Arctic ground, rolling down to old Maui. How soft the breeze of the tropical seas, now the ice is far astern. And the native maids in the Island glades are awaiting our return. Even now their big black eyes look out, hoping some fine day to see our baggy sails running for the gales, rolling down to old Maui. Rolling down to old Maui, me boys, rolling down to old Maui. We're homeward bound from the Arctic route, rolling down to old Maui. All together! Oh, whiskey is the life of man. Oh, whiskey!